Hello and welcome to Stark State College. I'm Parrot Jones, president of the college, and it's such an honor to welcome you to our virtual open house. Of course, we're virtual because of COVID, but you may know that we plan to have classes both in person and online this fall. So whatever your preference, it is here at Stark State College. Let me tell you why you've made such a wise decision to attend this open house. First of all, you're going to get a chance to see our campus, which is magnificent. When students and people from the community come onto our campus, they are amazed at our resources, at our classrooms, at our laboratories. They get to meet faculty and hear about our outstanding programs, which I know you're going to get to do during this virtual open house. But let me talk to you for a moment about why Stark State College is your best choice. We have quality programs. Easy for me to say, I'm the president, right? But we have third-party validation of that quality because we are regionally accredited by the Higher Learning Commission. What does that mean to you? That means that your courses will transfer to colleges and universities in the region if you choose to go on for a 4-year degree. You want that assurance. You want that ability to build on your Stark State College education. Also, many of our programs in business, in engineering technology, and of course in health are accredited by their respected accrediting and licensing organizations and agencies. And I'm proud to say that our students who sit for national licensure exams perform at or above the average for Ohio and national students. We have pass rates that are very impressive that reflect on the quality education you will receive at Stark State College. Also, if you decide to be an online student now because of COVID, or perhaps continue to take at least one online course as you enter your program at Stark State, we were just named one of the top 50 community colleges in online learning, and we're very proud of that. There are 1,100 community colleges nationally. So to be singled out for excellence in online learning is really a very high testimony to the quality of our online. And for you, if you are intending to attend online, I hope you know that means you will find faculty who are familiar with teaching and learning online. Services, including advising, tutoring, a library, all available to you online. You cannot beat Stark State College quality and affordability. We are 60% lower than the tuition at a 4-year public university, and of course, needless to say, 200 or 300% lower than the tuition at a private university. So regardless of your goal, maybe you're coming to get a degree in nursing. I just spoke to the department chair of our emergency medical services division. Perhaps you're going into engineering, technology, accounting. Whatever your chosen field, starting at Stark State College, earning your associate degree is a very wise move. You'll also find small class sizes during the virtual tour. You won't see a large number of lecture halls because here at Stark State, we have class sizes on average of 19 students to 1 faculty member. And our faculty care about our students, reach out to our students, and make sure you're comfortable reaching out to them when you need their help. Best of all, in addition to small class sizes and outstanding laboratories and classrooms, we have wonderful connections in the community to help you with your career exploration and to help you with finding an employer and a career and job that fits you. So all of those reasons are why I think you need to take a great look, a deep look at Stark State College as you enter our virtual open house. Reach out to us. We're here to help you. We have ample financial aid. I know I talked to you about the affordability of our tuition. Still, We have scholarships. Of course, many of our students qualify for federal Pell Grants, and right now we have CARES funding to assist people who are struggling as a result of COVID. So now is a great time for you to pursue higher education, and Stark State is a great place for you to do that. Welcome. Have a great open house.
Stark State College has been around for 60 years, graduating students like yourself into careers that are in demand or helping them move on to even more education. Maybe you've heard, but the best part is that Stark State has all the quality at the lowest tuition in the area. Here's a first-hand glimpse into what it looks like to get your start at Stark State on main campus. Admissions is your first destination. This is where you'll meet with an enrollment representative to start your journey. Just down the hall from admissions, you'll find Career Services. They provide lots of guidance, including career counseling if you're not sure which career is the best fit for you. Career Services is also a great resource for help with resumes, mock interviews, internships, and job openings. You'll want to get to know them from the start. Gateway Student Services is a one-stop solution for help with anything relating to registering for classes, financial aid, filling out the FAFSA, advising, adding and dropping classes, and more. If you have a question, Gateway is the place to call or visit. The Business and Entrepreneurial Center is home to the largest enclosed atrium area on campus, M100, where you'll go for many events such as open houses, Jumpstart, and career fairs. The M building also houses plenty of classrooms and computer study spaces. Don't let the name fool you. Many different fields of study hold classes in the B building. Plus, here's where you'll find resources like military services and disability support services. The B building also holds lots of classrooms, computer lab spaces, and the largest quiet study spot on campus, the Silk Atrium. When you're in the atrium, you'll see the digital library, a great resource whether you touch base with them online or in person. Directly across from the atrium, you'll find the Silk Auditorium, the campus's large lecture hall. The W.R. Timpkin Center is home to many of the college's information technology programs. You'll find drafting labs and classrooms for engineering technology, graphic design and digital photography classes, video production labs, traditional classrooms, and more. It's also where you'll go if you need to take an exam in the testing center. The J building on main campus houses classrooms and instructional labs for Stark State's health programs. You'll find lots of hands-on learning going on here. From nursing to dietary, health information management to surgical technology and more, this building contains state-of-the-art lab spaces for our students. One of the newest spaces on main campus, the K building, offers an open computer lab and study space along with several classrooms. Here in the G building, you'll mainly find classrooms for public service programs, as well as the auxiliary bookstore where you'll pick up your textbooks. The student-operated food pantry also operates here. The Sciences Wing, or H building, houses classrooms and labs for programs in the sciences and pre-medical fields ranging from chemistry and biology to dental hygiene, as well as occupational and physical therapy assisting. One of the most unique learning opportunities Stark State offers is an on-site cadaver lab for our anatomy classes. The Arts and Sciences building holds more traditional classrooms, as well as the Math Emporium and Math Tutoring Center. When you come in the main entrance, our security staff will help you with important resources like your parking pass or any background checks you'll need. They're always just a phone call away. The college store covers all your campus needs: books and supplies for classes, Stark State gear to show your Spartan spirit, snacks to keep you going, and even cards and gifts. The campus cafe, or cafeteria, can keep you fueled up during your time on campus. You'll find breakfast, lunch, and dinner options, along with plenty of snacks. The Student Life and Game Room on the second floor of the Student Center is the perfect place to unwind between classes with a theater room, pool table, video games, foosball table, and more. The Writing Center is the place to go for a helping hand with all the words. They'll help you smooth out everything you want to say in your essay or research document. Hands-on fire science classes take place in the state-of-the-art facility on main campus. This is one of the only programs on campus not directly connected to the other buildings, which are connected by second-floor walkways, which make the walk between classes warm in the winter and cool in the summer. The Advanced Technology Center, also known as the ATC, is the other building on main campus not connected to the main facility. It's home to advanced manufacturing classes and the Culinary Center. Ready to get your start? Hop over to the admissions page of our website to apply at starkstate.edu/admissions. At Stark State College, you'll spend less, earn more, and go further.
Welcome to Stark State College and our virtual open house. My name is Renee Enix and I am the Interim Co-Dean for the Business and IT Division. I'm here today to talk to you about all the exciting programs and certificates we have in the IT area, and I hope that this open house will open you up to some of the great things that we can do here at Stark State for you. We have majors that lead to careers in our computer graphics, computer engineering, computer networking, computer programming, cybersecurity, digital video, 3D modeling, music production, video game design, and web design, just to name a few. If you enjoy designing and working with software, we do have the design and the digital media department that may be an option for you. You'll learn how to create and use software programs to enter the industry of design, 3D, graphics, or music. We also have security and infrastructure. If that happens to be something that interests you, we have great programs that will prepare you for today's high-demand cybersecurity and networking needs. If you enjoy programming and database management or web design and gaming, we have some amazing programs that will get you started on that career pathway. In addition to our great programs, we also have some great student life opportunities for you. We have a Spartan Media Award and a film festival at the end of the year where students will come together with all of their design work and share that with each other, and we have some really amazing awards for those students. We have a great club called High Tech Investigation Association that is a cybersecurity club, and those students get together and do a lot of really interesting things with the community. Finally, we also have a software development guild that you, as programmers, will get together and come together and learn about all your different software programming needs. So another great thing about Stark State is we have these amazing labs. I'm currently standing in our Mac lab, as you can see. In addition to our Mac lab, we have our video lab, which has our green screen and all of that material that you will need to make those great videos. We have virtual reality for our 3D program. We have a great music lab for our music program, and all the latest software and programs for your programming needs. We can't wait to connect with you. I have some great qualified faculty waiting for you in the Zoom room. They have industry credentials and have worked in the field of IT for many years in addition to education. We look forward to connecting with you. Please look for the link down in the comment, and we'll talk to you soon.